Perfect.
Hey beauties, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to clip in some hair extensions, how to style them, and also we'll make some hairstyles. But first, this video is in partnership with Doris Hair.
Doris Ultra Seamless Clip-ins use 0.5 mm paper thin wefts that are 50% thinner at the top than other clip-ins on the market. They sit flush against the scalp, creating ultimate comfort and invisible look, work perfectly for thin and fine hair. Double drawn, thick from roots to ends, bigger tooth clips with a silicone grip which makes them more secure. 100% Remy real human hair, soft and durable, can be heat styled and dyed, beginner friendly, easy to install.
You can use the code ZINA10, which I leave it here and also in the info bar, so you can have 10% off your purchase from Doris Hair. So make sure to use it, especially if you want this type of ultra seamless hair extensions, which are very interesting. I'll show you in a minute how I'm applying it and how to make hairstyles, of course, with them.
Doris clip-ins comes with 2 clips, which is very handy when applying hair extensions. For underneath the sections, I'll apply 3 clips wefts, which are 2. Here I'm applying my first 3 clips weft, and then I'll bring my hair in the front and curl it. This is how usually people curl their hair, but I'll use different technique. This is easier for me because of my 360 degrees hair curling wand, so it's rolling. Also, I like the look of beachy kind of curls. When applying the extensions, I'm making sure to curl with my hair. This way it will look so natural and it will blend so well with my own hair. So first I'll apply my 3 clips weft, then my 4 clips wefts. When reaching my crown section on both sides, I'll apply my hair extensions but diagonally. This way I'm hiding better my extensions, so I'm making sure nobody will see it, okay? Also on the top I'll use my 2 wefts by 1 clip each and I'll curl it. So as you can see, everything is so simple. You apply just hair extensions and then curl it. Guys, I will suggest you to leave your curls for about 5 to 10 minutes to cool down, and you can use some hairspray to fix it, and only after waiting 5 to 10 minutes to brush it. If this way your curls will look more natural and will stay secure. Don't try to brush it before cooling it down, okay?
So this is our after, but not finished yet. I don't know how about you, but I kind of hate the look of pasta curls like this, and we need to brush it out.
Okay, here you can see I cannot stop talking. This is me. And guys, look at this beautiful natural looking hair. You cannot see where is mine and where is Doris' hair, okay? So when our hair is nicely brushed, we'll make our hairstyle. So we'll begin with our half updo. We will select our top crown section. The front section we will incorporate into our crown section like so. Brush it well so everything is nice. Then you want to tie a clear elastic. I like to double them, especially when I feel like I have a lot of hair. You want to bring your hair halfway through. Now grabbing the ends, you want to bring them up, tie it with a clear elastic. You want to twist this created loop and bring your first voluminous loop through it. Tighten, pull it a bit to make it voluminous, and of course you're done. For our ponytail, we want to select again our top section. Make sure to brush everything nice and smooth. Now, you want to tie our crown section. Then grabbing a section from underneath from one side and from another. So we'll have two sections from both sides. Bring them up and crisscross them. Now you want to bring them down and tie it underneath your ponytail, like so. Using a clear elastic again, and your fancy looking ponytail is ready. For our braid, again we want to select our top crown section. Tie it with a clear elastic. Loosen a bit to make this voluminous crown section. Then you want to bring your front sections. You can leave some bangs in the front like I did. Bring the rest back and tie it with another elastic. Then you want to flip it and pull it to cover your previous elastic and to make it voluminous. Now, again you want to select two sections from both sides of our created half ponytail, tie it over our previous elastic and pull it to make this voluminous effect. And you want to repeat. Grab two sections from both sides and tie it with a clear elastic and pull it. So I'll repeat one more time, grabbing two sections from the sides, bring it over our elastic and tie it, pull it a bit. And our braid is basically done. If you want, of course, you can continue the steps. For the next tier, guys, because we have very thick hair, we want to select all our hair in the back and we'll use 3 clear elastics. You can use, of course, other type of elastics, but I feel like clear elastics are securing your hair well in place. It's not falling anywhere. So we want to make kind of middle ponytail. Pull your hair halfway through like that, pull it a bit, make it nice and voluminous, grab the ends, bring them up, tie it with a clear elastic like we did with our half updo. Twist it and bring the bun through this twist like that. Tighten it, pull a little bit if you need. Then you want to grab the ends and tuck her into the elastic of the bun, like so. We can pull it a bit again, and our effortless but so beautiful bun is ready.
Guys, because I enjoyed filming, I hope you do like watching this type of video. If so, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel, and also let me know in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like to see on my YouTube channel, because this inspires me so much, and maybe your idea will be my next video. That's it for today, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!